your group is going to get a bag. And then you're going to get, each of you will get a whiteboard. Each of you will get a dry erase marker. And your group will get a tissue to wipe it off. So you're going to work the problem on the whiteboard. All right? The bags are going to look like this. This one's mine. It says what? Teacher. Yours is just going to have a letter on it. Okay? Then it has 22 at the top. That is not how much this bag is worth. It's how many coins are in this bag. That way when you go to close your bag back, you know how many coins you need to have in there. So one might have fallen on the floor. You need to make sure you take it. Holden, what is Mrs. Foster missing? Dimes. Okay. Some of the bags are going to have all the money, all the coins, and other bags are going to be missing some coins. So now that I sorted like Sonia told me, I'm going to count the money that's worth the most. So what's worth the most?
$1.50.
The $1/2. How much is the $1/2 worth?
50.
Is Andrew the only one that knows what $1/2 is worth? Yeah. How much is the $1/2 worth? 50 cents. So I'm going to write.
The interpreter would ask for a feed here.
50 cents. That takes care of my $1/2. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters. Think right now, how much is 6 quarters worth? What do you have if you have 6 quarters in your hand? How much money do you have if you have 6 quarters in your hand? Ben?
$1.50.
$1.50. Excellent job, Ben. You have $1.50. So I'm going to write $1.50. Took care of my quarters, right? All right. Now I have no dimes, so I can't count any dimes. I have 4 of the dimes. Now I have nickels. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kalia. Well, I was counting those. I heard you doing something wonderful over here. What were you counting by? 5. Kalia, how much did I have? Excellent. 40 cents. Nice job, Kalia. I could hear her whispering to herself how much money is in my hand. Very smart. So we said how many cents, Kalia?
40 cents.
40 cents. Excellent. Now I'm left with these little things. They're worth the least. What are these called?
Pennies.
Pennies. Very good. Okay, you're going to help me with this. You ready? I'm going to count my pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 cents. 7 cents. Would you put those back in the bag for me, please? So, how do I write 7 cents? Who has an idea on how I'm going to write it on the board? Michael? Right, 7 and then the zeros, right? Excellent. I'm going to represent 7 cents right here. And then everything else is going to be a 0. Because it's not more than 10 cents, correct? So I have to hold this place with a what? A 0. So let's add it up. 0 plus 0? 0. Plus 0? 0. Plus 7? 7. Do I have to regroup?
No.
Excellent. 5 plus 5?
10.
Plus 4?
14.
Plus 0?
14.
What do I do? I regroup. How do I regroup? Michael, what do I do first?
Like slice out the zeros. Put the 1 on top of the 0.
Okay, what do I do with the 4?
Just like put it under the 0.
Right here? Okay. Now I lined up my what? What are these called?
Dots.
They're not called dots. What are these called? Kyle?
Decimal.
Very good. I lined up my decimal so I can bring my decimal down. Now I'm going to add up. Do not do anything until I tell okay?